Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week, $7.19 for my envelopes. I'm actually, I need to get my calculator and I need to, I usually figure out this out beforehand, but I didn't do that this time around. So let me go to an old one just to see what denominations I need. An old cash planning sheet. Okay, so I need 150, 3 20s, 5 10s. Okay, so 150, 3 20s, 5 10s, 1 5, and 5 1s. Okay, so that's 170. I can start calculating all that over here. Oops, 719 minus 170. So I have 549 to put into my envelopes this week. All right, so that's gonna be my wallet amount. So spending is gonna get 30, eating out's gonna get 30, groceries is gonna get 80, coffee's gonna get 20, and then buffer's gonna get 10. All right, so now moving on to the black binder. I'm like testing out my new envelopes too. So that's exciting. I have auto repair, and I'm gonna put, let's see, how much do I want to put in auto repair? Let's do, I feel like I can do 20 this week. This is Christmas, I just have to print out the label, but Christmas is gonna get, I'm gonna do 20 as well. Electronics is gonna get 30. Emergency, I'm gonna put 35. Extra debt's gonna get 35. Furniture, I'm going to put, I have 102, so I'm going to put 18 in furniture. Rainy day, I'm going to put 20. Registration is going to get 10. Road trip, 20. Scentsy can get 5. Subscriptions is gonna get 10. I already took this money. I need to make my payment for my Spotify subscription. And then treat yourself is going to get 30. All right, so that's $296. I'm actually gonna go into my savings binder because I have a game in here I like to play and I need to roll the dice with it. Okay, so let's figure this one out first. So I got my dice. Oh, I need to get a sticky note too. Sticky note. All right, so let's see how many times I'm gonna roll for this one. Okay, so I'm rolling 5 times. Okay, so the first roll is gonna be this left side, and then the second roll is going to be the top side. So 6 and 3. 6 and 3 is a little star, so that's $1. Next one, 1 and 2. That's going to be a mushroom, which is 5. 1 and 6, which is a star, so that's $1. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, which is a star, that's $1. 6 and 5, 6 and 5, ooh, a rainbow. That one is 2. Okay, so that's 5, right? Yeah, 5. So that's $7, $8, $9, $10. That's going into this challenge. So Let me put all this back. $10. So I'm just gonna write down here, power up 10. I really like doing this challenge. This is something I do just for the month, and then at the end of the month I just take the money back to the bank, put it in savings. But it's just fun to like be able to roll the dice and, you know, figure out how much you're gonna put in. I might change this. So I got this one off of Etsy and it came with some different variations of this board, and I might change up the board next time to maybe a little bit more difficult one. We shall see. Or maybe I can do like keep all the boards in here, and then for weeks that I have like a little bit more money, I could play from a different board. I think I might do that actually. I think that's probably a better idea. So that's the plan for this. All right, I just want to double check my amounts because sometimes, you know, after I start like talking and doing other stuff, I forget if the amount's right. So I have 286 so far, and it's always good to double check. You're just gonna calculate just to make sure I didn't mess up anywhere. So 170, 20, 20, 30, 35, 35, 18, 20, 10, 20, 5, 10, 30, and 10. 286, perfect. Okay, just to make sure I'm still on track. And then since I'm already in here, this one's my Go Wild one. I just need to make a new envelope for it. So I think I have a tracker in here. I have 70, so I'm gonna do 20. So I'm saving for next year. All right, so I'm left with 266 now. I'm gonna go into the white binder. Beauty has 54. I'm gonna put 15 in here. There's just some things I want to get, so I want to get a little bit more in there. Clothing, I'm gonna put 20. Content is gonna get 10. Costco is just gonna get 5, but I also put rollover money in here from my groceries, so it'll probably get more than that when I actually stuff. Disney, I'm gonna put 15. I'm not going to Disney until the end of the month so far, so I'm sure you'll be good with that. Family is gonna get 10. Fun is gonna get 15. Gifts is gonna get 15. Hobbies, 10. Holiday decor is just 5 on that one. Home decor, I have 130. I'm gonna put 10. Household, 66. I'll just put 10. I had a little bit more this week, so I was able to put more than 5, which is nice. Target is gonna get 15. Okay, so I'm left with 111. I still need to go into my savings binders and my 100 envelope challenge. I'm gonna do that next. 100 envelope challenge here. See what the next number is that I have. Okay, my next number is 72. Do I want to do 72 in here? I think I would rather go like a lower number. Let's do 39. Let's do, what, do I have 40? I already did 40. I'll do 41. 41 sounds good. So 100 envelope. 41. Okay, I'm left with 70. I don't want to put all of that into savings challenges. So I think what I'm going to do is just up a couple of these a little bit. So like for instance, emergency, I'm going to do 40. An extra debt, I'm going to do 40. So those were 35, so that's $10 for those. Okay. Let's see another one. Let's do treat yourself at 35. Okay, another 5. Let's see. What's another one I wanted to? I'm left with 55. You know what? Okay, I think 55 is a good amount to put into savings. So I got my savings challenges here. So let's see. I got the $10 one. Let's do 20 in there. And then I have the $5 one. I'll do 20 in here. And then in ones, I'll just do 15. All right, that works. So off camera, I'm just gonna double check, make sure, triple check that this really is $7.19, just that way I don't mess up on the cash planning part. So it does total out to $7.19, so perfect. I haven't messed up yet, so that's good. Oh, if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do put content out every single day, and it's free. So you can subscribe and you'll be able to see all of the videos I put out. I do put out a lot, so there's always something to watch over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the denominations. So auto repair is just going to get a $20 bill, another 20, 20, and a 10. These are going to get 2 20s. Furniture is 18, so 15, 16, 17, 16, 17, 18. Rainy day is 20. Registration 10, road trip 20, 5 for Scentsy, 10, 35, so 20, 35. Beauty is 15, clothing is 20, content 10, then Costco's 5, Disney 15, 10, another 15, couple 15s, 10, 5, then I have 10, 10, 15, oops, no. See, I almost messed myself up. 20, power up is 10, $10 bill. 100 envelope is 41, so it's 2 20s and a 1. 20 or $10 challenge is 20, so I want 2 10s for that. $5 challenge is 20, so I want 4 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then $1 is 15 ones. Okay, this is usually where I mess up, so we shall see how I did. So I got 150, 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then 1s, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so now to count all this, which is my favorite part. So 50, 20 times 17 is 30, 40. Then we got 230, 15 times 5, so 65, 15 times 5, 75, 75, and then 24. Okay, so let's see how much, if I got this right. So 50, 340, 230, 75, and 24. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to just write on this little sticky note the denominations I need to ask for at the bank today. So 50s, I need 1 for a total of $50. 20, I need 17 for a total of $340. 10s, I need 23, and that's a total of $230. Oops, 230. It's a really bad 0. And then 5s, I need 15. That's a total of $75. And 1s, 24. $24, and that's a grand total of $719. that I'm going to ask for at the bank. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in my wallet so I don't forget it when I go today. And I just hand that to the teller and then I get the money. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will have my cash stuffing video out on Sunday so you can see how all this money goes into the envelopes. But yeah, thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next video.